adding pasta in boiling water. It's not enough, so I will add some more pasta. Now it's enough. Adding 1 spoon of salt. Adding 1 spoon of cooking oil. Onions. There are 2 large size onions. They will be chopped very beautifully. I will show you. Yeah, look how beautifully all the onions are chopped. And here I cut the chicken pieces into cube shape. I will use this tomato pasta sauce and this double cream I will use. Our pasta is being cooked.
It's boiling?
Yeah, it's being boiled. It just needs 5 more minutes. After that, it will be done.
We have to be careful.
Yeah. Pasta is nicely cooked. In a big frying pan, I added chopped onion and added 1/4 cup of oil. Now I will stir the onions until they become brown. Now I am adding puree of ginger and garlic. They are 2 big cubes. After onion has becoming light brown, I am adding chicken in it. Now onion and chicken both will get fried. 4th spoon of salt I am adding in chicken. You can see chicken has been cooked very nicely. Its color has been changed. Now I will add pasta sauce. So I am adding pasta sauce in it. I will add some chili flakes as well. I am adding 1 spoon of chili flakes, but 1 spoon of chili flakes will not be enough. So I am adding another spoon of chili flakes. I'll fry it for 5 minutes. Now I am adding pasta in it. Pasta I already boiled.
Yeah.
It's alright. Anyways. So I will mix it well. Now I am adding double cream. It's 300 ml. And now my flame is full. Cream has been added. I will mix it well. So I have mixed it well. Now I'll keep it on extremely low flame for 10 minutes and I'll cover it with this plate. So after 10 minutes I'll show you its final look. It cooked and you can see smoke is coming from pasta. Now we will add some cheese. It's mozzarella grated cheese we are adding. Add some more please. Yeah, some more please. Okay, now oven it for 10 minutes, for 10 seconds. So cheese has been melted. So yes, try it and tell me how is it. Hadida, you can also taste it please.
Okay.
Can you please bring your own fork?
Yes, of course.
It looks so
It
delicious.
has a nice flavor of the cream, and then the cheese makes it even better.
Oh, so is it looking, and it's looking yummy. So you are telling its flavor is really good. Yes, Khadija, taste its flavor and tell me how is it. Is it looking good? Its taste is well.
That's too hot.
It's too hot. Yeah, you have to wait.
So the pasta color is perfect, and it's like whoopy.